Critical industries such as food and beverage, electronics, and oil and gas manufacturing demand the peace of mind provided by reliable, 100% oil-free compressed air. Ingersoll Rand's MSG TURBO-AIR NX family of centrifugal compressors offers purely efficient technology that boosts productivity, lowers operating expenses, and extends equipment life to ensure your success and keep you ahead of the competition. Our NX series compressors are designed with state-of-the-art aerodynamics and a best-in-class drive motor to minimize energy use. With a typical turndown range of up to 30%, these compressors are engineered to operate without unloading or shutting down during periods of low demand. To deliver outstanding reliability, NX series compressors feature advanced pinion bearings, aircraft-quality gearing, and non-wearing labyrinth seals to enhance uptime and extend operational life. NX series compressors reduce downtime by simplifying maintenance. The horizontally split gearbox, single-point water connection, ergonomic lubrication console layout, and easy-to-access condensate removal system significantly enhance your operations productivity. Each NX series compressor comes equipped with the intuitive Maestro controller to deliver precise, automatic pressure and flow regulation through energy-saving control nodes. Taking advantage of the latest IoT technology, Maestro provides total control of your productivity from virtually anywhere. And since your air system goes beyond the compressor itself, Ingersoll Rand offers thoughtfully designed downstream equipment like compressed air dryers and filters, extensive maintenance programs, genuine OEM parts, and experienced field service technicians around the globe to make us your compressed air systems partner for life. Learn more about the NX family of compressor systems and our comprehensive services today.